How to fix cannot verify server identity on your iPhone. If you're struggling to find out how to do that, this video is right for you. Firstly, what you have to do is tap on your setting app. Now scroll down until you find the option called General. Tap on it. Scroll down again and tap on the option called Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on it. In these two options, you have to tap on the first option called Reset. Now tap on the second option called Reset Network Settings. As you tap on it, it will automatically reset all the network settings of your phone. It will also ask you to enter your passcode. Once you enter your passcode, it will automatically fix all the verify server identity on your iPhone. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.